you look at another big tech name in Taiwan, TSMC, they've been re-rating quite substantially last 12 months or so. We think Samsung's memory business structurally higher margin than TSMC. And then memory sector has been the low multiple for last decade, partly some China threat and the commodity nature of the business. But the supplier, including Samsung, they've been pretty disciplined in terms of capital spending. And also, China threat may not be materializing pretty soon, given geopolitical risk between US and China. So I think a market need to, look at this sector multiple again. And then, when investor has some confidence around that, I think the stock will be re-rated.
All right, and you mentioned in your latest note the foundry business of Samsung Electronics, how it's been largely ignored until now. What's the story that you see there, and can you put a number on it? How bullish should investors get about its foundry business? Because a couple of years ago, Samsung did say that they want to come out on top by the year 2030. Is that possible?
Yeah, keep in mind that there are only two leading-edge foundry suppliers globally. One is TSMC, the other one Samsung. So TSMC right now, they are dominating player, and then market absolutely need the alternative. Samsung, and then Samsung is the number one player with some gap with the number one player, TSMC. But this business was on the radar, hidden somewhere in Samsung semiconductor business because, memory business historically has been, all the, spotlight business. But since last year, we went starting to, experiencing component shortage, and then foundry business has been really key to multiple sector. And then, if you look at the Samsung's foundry valuation, we think some investors, need to value Samsung's foundry business at least $50 billion, dollar. So this has been largely ignored. But as I said, Samsung is the only alternative to TSMC. We need at least two players to support the global business. So this is one of the key business for Samsung's future.